Hey, what's up everybody? Got kind of a home decor idea for you if you're looking for some kitchen lights to hang from a recessed area. You've got a flat ceiling, for example, right above the kitchen or a little kitchen table or wherever you're looking for something that kind of has an industrial look that is heavy duty and definitely holds up over the years. I wanted to show you these. These are about 6-7 years old, so it can definitely talk to the longevity of them. It's in a family member's house, and there's 3 of them, and they are pretty heavy duty, like I said, and industrial kind of looking. All right, it's break time. Subscribe, like, and share to support this channel. Please comment as well. Join as a member for amazing perks from priority replies to DIY party invites. If you need tools and merch, shop my store or website. You can check the links in the description for my best products. But have a stainless brushed nickel finish that I think just really exudes class and kind of a modern look. They've got kind of a plastic covering. Here's a shot with the lights off so you kind of see what you're dealing with. And all those like twisty knobs and everything are just for show, but anyway, just wanted to put that video out there if you are interested, and thanks so much.